I'm humbled by being acknowledged, truly, because we know that there are people who have given and given and given and given to make this happen. I just happened to come along at a time when a little tip was going to make a difference to get started. And because of that, I'm being honored, and my husband, my dear beloved late husband, Larry Allison. And I'll just share a personal experience about giving. I've been a full-time teacher all my life, living hand to mouth. Anybody familiar with that experience? On me on this side at the back of the room. And by the grace of God, about a year before my husband passed away, we came into a little windfall. And immediately, Larry was like, we have to give this to the movement. And I'm like, yes, let's do it. But where? There's so many important projects. There's so many important organizations that we all want to support. But, of course, for me, having been on Mother Divine and having experienced Mother Divine, I want to support everything, but I feel that Mother Divine is not only the heart of Mother Divine here on earth in this space, but she's the heart and soul of our whole TM movement family, because she is Mother Divine. And Mother Divine nourishes everyone. And so Mother Divine doesn't just think of how do we support ourselves. She thinks about how do we support Purusha and MIU and the global, country of world peace and the Brahmistan and the pundits, everything. So we were really excited when we realized we wanted to start with Mother Divine. And I'll just share a little personal experience. We emailed Rajrajeshri Rindi and said, could we have a Zoom call with you? So we had a little Zoom call, and then we shared what we wanted to do. And then it was like a love fest happened. That's the only way I can describe it, because the overwhelming love and appreciation that Mother Divine shows and gives for anyone, like each and every one of us here today, when we give our support, our love, our financial resources, their gratitude is so huge that you feel like you just got the best blessing in your life. And I have to say, I have had some really great blessings in our worldwide career in the TM movement, and this is probably the top one. To be in a position to give a little bit to this huge powerhouse of nourishing power for our continent and for the whole world, it has taken me to a new level of experience. That's all I can say. That's the power of the love of Mother Divine. And so we know that it is better to give than receive. There's nothing more precious than to be able to give our resources to anything, really, other than ourselves. But to give it to Mother Divine is to give it to heaven on earth. And Mother Divine is seated in this Vastu. Not just the Mother Divines. Mother Divine is seated here. And she is very pleased with what's happening here. And she's blessing everyone here, who's all of us who just love, and we have such a deep affection and respect and gratitude to the women, the ladies who have given their whole life to enlivening their own consciousness and to enlivening the consciousness of the world to create heaven on earth. So I want to say to you, thank you. And all I can say is Jai Guru Dev. Thanks.